This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Joy Mode. Now, after going through prostate cancer, I experienced erectile dysfunction and I wanted a more natural way to support healthy circulations. Now, one of the things that has worked for me is Joy Mode, which gave me confidence during those intimate moments. Now, some users report that Joy Mode may even support healthy blood pressure trends. Now, if you'd like to learn more, visit tryjoymode.com and use my affiliate code Harold20 at checkout to save 20%. So today we're making a delicious high protein salad. Get ready. So first we're starting with our creamy garlic dressing. Now, it's just 5 ingredients. We have sea salt, we have cashews. Now, it's important to let the cashews soak in water for at least 2 hours before you put them in the processor. Then we have fresh garlic, lemon, and water. And that's it, 5 clean ingredients. So we got our food processor. So we're gonna add our cashews. We're gonna add a half a clove of garlic. We're gonna add some water, 1/4 cup of water. And a half a lemon we're gonna squeeze into it, give it some good acidity. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt. And that's it. Then we're gonna mix it all up and get our creamy garlic dressing. All right, so now our dressing is all done. Look at all that creamy goodness. All right, let's just taste a little bit of it just to make sure it tastes all right. That's it. It's real good. Okay, we're gonna move our dressing to the side. Now we're gonna make our high protein salad. So we're gonna cut up our red cabbage. And red cabbage has so many benefits. It's high in antioxidants. Right now, we need all the antioxidants we can get. Y'all know it's so many things that are going on that are crazy that we can't control. But guess what you can control? What you put in your body, how you feel. So that's why it's so important that during these times that we focus on putting healthy restricted in our bodies. Because we can control that. We can't control all the madness that's going on in the world, but we can definitely control that. So we got that good old healthy antioxidants. It also is going to help us reduce stress in our bodies. And we got the good old red onions. And red onions are good for antioxidants, but they also have anti-cancer properties. So they're really good for you. They help to build your immune system. And they taste good. And they add a lot of flavor to your salad. So we're going to add that. All right, now it's time to put our salad together. So we have carrots. Then we got some black beans, corns, lima beans, chickpeas, alfalfa sprouts, pumpkin seeds, and those good old hemp seeds. And of course, we got a purple cabbage, red onions, and spring mix. And we're going to put that all together and we're going to come up with something special. Now let's put everything together. Look at all that goodness. Add our red cabbage. That's a lot. And red onions. And we need some color. Carrots. And we got our black beans, corn, and lima beans. All that plant protein. Pumpkin seeds, those good old pumpkin seeds. If you're over 40, man or woman, you should be eating pumpkin seeds every day. Now, pumpkin seeds help to increase testosterone in men. It also helps us to lessen the risk of UTIs in women. So this is some good stuff. And those good old hemp seeds, that pack of protein, mix it all together. All right, now we're gonna add our creamy garlic dressing. And here you have our delicious high protein salad with creamy garlic dressing. Doesn't that look good? All right, get your salad on.